So our blueberries were not growing very well in those pots there, so we decided to build a planter box on our slope. And the best location was up here on the hill near the top. The problem was that the soil was really bad here, so what we did is we built a small planter box here, 3 sides, see here. And you can see our episode of how to build a planter box. The only difference here is that because it's on a slope here, Janet suggested we put stakes in the front that we saw in someone else's house. And so I created these stakes and put them in the back here and planted them here. I'll show you how to cut them. And basically you screw it in the front, right there. These are the stakes for the planter box. They're about 13 inches long with a 45-degree angle of tip. Just cut them with my miter saw. And what you do is you bury like about half of it into the dirt, and then the other half here is right behind the planter box, which I'll screw the planter box into to keep it from falling down the slope. Okay, so I already put a stake down there in that corner. I'll put the stake down on the side, and put the side right over here. Whoops, step up in here. Pull it up against the corner. Your trusty rubber mallet, just come down like this. Watch your fingers. Okay, all 3 of the stakes are in. They go in slightly at an angle because of the 45-degree cut, but that's the best way to make it sharpest with a compound miter saw. So they're in. I'm just going to screw them on from the other side and they'll be all set. And there's the raised planter box up there.